natin yan.
Ako si Richelle Minagua, Acting Administrator and SSF Co-operator sa TESDASIN sa Shared Service Facility diri sa Barangay Libertad, Kabukdayan, Biliran. So, diri sa CNSAT Shared Service Facility, may da kami food processing and tool packing services. And didi haamon tool packing services, actually may da kami vacuum packing, vacuum sealing, and foil sealing. While haamon food processing, nag-o-offer gyud kaming services of flour milling, potato chipper, dehydrator, and pulverizing machine. So, didi ha second district han Kabukdayan, an amon indicator is for our local entrepreneurs, labi na aton mga entrepreneurs na ang mga business is about local delicacies naton, and also even our dried fish na very sikat diha aton usa ka barangay. We also do vacuum sealing, and even at mga nag-inom moron, bibingka, those are our local clients. So, under sa food packaging services, we have 3 available machines that everybody can use. So, may kita double chamber vacuum packager, and magagamit hiyahan aton clients for a minimum amount of 2 pesos per minute. And we also have a band sealer with gas flush, 1 pesos and 50 cents lahiya per minute ang paggamitan machine, while ang continuous band sealer or band sealing machine, magagamit natin hiya for 1 pesos and 25 cents only. Now, for CNSAT, we also offer packaging materials. Kung waray daraan aton clients, may daghihap kami vacuum pack from 5x8 to 8x12, and an amount niya per piece would only range from 5 pesos to 7 pesos per vacuum pack. We also have plastic sealer, 5x8 to 8x12, and ang iya price nag-range to 6 pesos to 7 pesos. While ang foil pack na ginagamit para band sealing machine, may dagyap kita same sizes, 5 pesos to 6 pesos and 50 cents only. Now, haamon food processing, may da kami 4 food processing machines na pwede taig avail. May da kami potato chipper for only 1 pesos per minute, and then flour mill, that's only 1 pesos para kanton mga magbibibingka, magputo. You can actually bring your raw materials here para i-process ta. May daghihap kami pulverizing machine, so that's another, all of this actually 1 pesos per minute la ang iyo magagasto pag-process ang input. And last but not the least, may daghihap kami dehydrator for those nga gusto gumamit, for example, to dehydrate kung may nakita dried mangoes, fruits, and vegetables na gusto niyo i-dry. So, sa shared service facility nato diri sa Kabukdayan, we provide affordable food packaging and food processing options para aton mga local entrepreneurs, as well as instead na kumadto kita harayo to have our products processed or packaged, may da na kita harani, and mas madali pagud hiya because we are within the highway. And also, since we maintain the quality of the facility, we also ensure that an aton products would also be of quality, and mas madali tahiya because we have the available machines. Mas dorodamo an aton napoproduce, napapackage, napaprocess ng mga products. So, much advantageous hiya parahan aton mga local entrepreneurs. dako namon pasalamat in behalf of TESDA SINSAT Shared Service Facility, DTI, Provincial Office Biliran, and DTI Kabukbayan as well. And paghatag haamon hin oportunidad na makabulig dirila para amon mga among mga estudyante, but actually the whole community and even the nearby municipalities. And we will make sure that anuman the machines ang iyo bulig nga padangat nga diha amon i-share nga tuhan ibang nga tao para mas mapadayon ta ang serbisyo ang gobyerno para ang kadapat.
Kulang ng go mga kaibigan, trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan.